If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment.
Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel and another Meet the Bags video. Today I am super happy to introduce you to the candy bag. This is the small size. There are two sizes. There's a larger size as well, but I only have the small sizes right now. This is adorable. Let me show you some of the amazing features of this bag. So you have a pocket in the front here. It's closed with the thumb lock. What I love about it is like almost this like 3D type looking side panels, gussets here. We do have a crossbody strap. It is inside the bag. We have 3/4 inch strap handles, a recessed zipper. There's the crossbody strap. Sorry for the shaking camera. And look how wide this little bag opens up. So we have a zipper pocket with overlay on one side and a large slip pocket on the other. Let me show you what the other one looks like in different materials. So again, this one I've done in a croc vinyl. See, again, it has that 3D look. A recessed zipper, crossbody strap, zipper, and pocket. I just totally love this bag. Anyways, if you're one of my clients and would like to buy either one of these bags, I do have them on my website, which is linked below, or you can place a custom order in your choices of colors and fabrics. Again, all my information is listed below. Just shoot me a message. And if you're part of the Bagmakers community, there is a tutorial on this one. We also did a class on this one for, what month is it? September 2025. So you can check out those as well if you wanted a more slowed down sew along type experience, as well as the regular tutorials that I do. Anyways, until the next one, I'll see you guys again. Bye.